Hello!
Hello!
Hello! We are playing a game called Flicky!
We're playing Flicky.
Oh, look how adorable they are.
Oh, Flicky. Oh, Flicky's cute. Iggy. Oh man, I'm already in. I'm in it.
I'm there.
Help.
So you have to
Bird, guide. Bird. Exit to the door. Press button to jump and shoot.
I like how it doesn't say give you a specific button, it just says button.
Button. Yeah, no specific button. Jump and shoot. That's the most concerning thing I've ever heard in my life. Like, do I just do both at the same time always?
Yes.
Really?
Oh god.
Oh.
I don't think you're shooting.
Oh, I clicked the pots and... Haha! Oh, God. This is unnerving.
Oh, I think you just have to get to the exit now.
Haha!
Just get to the exit, man.
Oh, try. Just to see this cat, the cat just fly across the screen.
Yeah. Like, blah!
I already love it. This is already the most amazing game. Where am I? Oh!
Get those fucking chickens.
Take that. Go. Breen!
There's two cats.
I took them both out. I'm outie. See ya, bitches.
Oh,
I'm
sick.
just trying to picture Flicky's voice. See you later, bitches! Bonus round! Oh, catch him! Gotta get your birdies!
Fucked up. You're the worst bird catcher I've ever seen.
I didn't know what I was doing. Hey, I got 15. Look at those smiley
you're
faces.
the only bird catcher that I've seen. So
Yep, that's right. Don't knock me before you. Oh,
you can jump
I can
them off
deposit
early.
them as I go. Wait. This game is sick.
The cat's just like, oh god!
Oh! So the cat stops me from taking the birds, because like it can take the birds from me.
And it can kill you.
Yeah, well, that part was
It can viciously murder you, tear out your organs from. Oh. Ah, wunderbar.
Sucker!
Stone Cold.
Ain't no cats getting me, bitches. You ain't never gonna get me. Oh.
Yes, they are.
No, they're not. See? Told you. Oh no!
Oh god.
Yeah.
Well done.
This is how you play fucking Flicky.
Like a boss.
Like a mother flickin' boss. Oh. Hey. Shit.
This is so weird.
Oh. Just picking up some fucking snails.
I'm so confused at the map right now.
Yeah, it's really... Oh, shit! It's really confusing.
They've got you now.
No, they don't. So I certainly am not gonna... Okay.
Oh, you can make it. You can probably fucking get the other bird too as well.
Huh?
Yes.
Oh!
Well done.
I am fucking...
On top of it.
I am
On top.
all about this Flicky.
Oh.
Let's do it. Give me some clips.
Oh, they don't fall in the same spot this time.
I actually find this easy.
They're learning. Clever girl.
Oh, perfect bonus, 10,000 points. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Who's the boss? Who's your boss?
Oh, some of them wear Ray-Bans. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I noticed that before. Oh, goddamn.
It's Ferris.
Oh! I threw it the wrong way.
Ferris
I saw him coming.
Got that record on off the shelf. Got the chickens all by yourself.
Bring it. Oh.
He showed you.
Oh, why? He doesn't turn
He showed
fast
you.
enough.
He showed you.
Alright. Which must be what, my last life?
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, come back. Oh, good. Oh, whoa. Alright, yep, so that was a graceful end to a graceful play. Jacob, here you go.
I will play this game.
You don't?
No, yeah, I do. I'll play. I'll give it a go.
Give it a go.
And I'll fuck you up. Oh. You didn't even know.
Help, bird, guide, bird, exit.
Help.
I really like those instructions.
Help,
Bird, guide, bird, exit.
Because birds, every now and then they need a little help. Alright?
Deposit.
Oh.
Nailed it. 20,000 points. Yeah. Right. Happy little elephant.
Name starts with a T, I'm only assuming. Stands for
Oh.
Terry!
Terry's house?
Oh, Terry's gonna be fine.
What is it that you're carrying around?
Hammer?
Yeah. Are they hammers?
Yeah, I think so.
Very nice work. Very nice work. You're almost caught up to me, which shouldn't be that hard. I must have been on to what, level 5? If you get one of these every two levels. Oh yeah, no, I really sucked at this.
I think I've got more than you
I did, but that's not the point.
though. What is the point, huh?
I hate you.
No, you don't.
No, I don't. I love you.
Love you too.
Oh, they're learning.
It was just like, fuck this guy. And these fucking chickens.
Nice one.
Almost. 19 seconds.
Ahoy. Yeah, there's some pretty fancy looking birds in there, eh? Nice. Clean them up, clean them up.
Let him!
Yeah, get him back.
Can't come through that door.
Yeah.
20 seconds. Have I beat you yet? You
No,
only passed
this was
level.
this is the level I passed.
Oh, you bounced
then-
off the walls.
Yeah, I passed this level, and then you're dead.
No, I'm not!
Yeah, I passed this level, got the bonus, and then died after that. Yeah. Don't go
I
that way.
can't, I can't.
Oh, you lost. Cat came out. I see. Kill the cat. Oh, brutal.
Okay, so if I can only get one, I only need to get one. So he's coming that way. Oh, no!
No, he's not. Oh, that was close.
Some tense stuff happening.
Bonus level. You know what? This is fucking adorable.
I know. I don't have to shoot anybody.
Nobody has to die except for Flicky, of
Except
course.
for Flicky, he gets brutally murdered.
Yeah, I can imagine.
By two
My cat has
cats.
brought home birds before. I haven't been happy about it, but he's done it.
Done it.
I thought you deposited the apple. Kill it! Oh, and the cats of course die.
Oh my god, where did he come from?
I think that was game over. Oh no, it's not.
No, oh my god. I would cry if it was, because like, I just want to save the birds.
Don't you just? Just say such cute birdies. What are they called? Sherpies?
Chirpies?
Sherpies?
Chirptacular?
Oh!
Oh!
Yeah!
That was one hell.
How? Where are you getting these lives from?
I don't
I
know.
don't think I died this many times. Huh.
Oh!
Nice. Rigged.
I don't know.
Rigged.
Fucking rigged, mate.
I'm calling shenanigans.
I'm not.
No, of course you're not.
Oh, whoa!
that? 3 more? 3 more?
No!
Oh, 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 oh,
Oh, God.
oh my god. Oh man, that got so tense.
Oh God. How much more torture do I have to endure?
You don't get a break until you save all the birds. That has to be game. Yes, of course it is.
Alright.
Well, that was a fun experience.
Put it there, champ.
Yeah.
Well done.
Shake
It's a
hands.
hearty handshake.
Sure, it was sure.
Even though I kicked your fucking ass.
That was rude. Sorry. That is
I shouldn't
incredibly
swear
rude.
because like these walls are paper thin, and my next door neighbours have very small children.
Yeah, but from my experience, your next door neighbour is quite rude.
Yeah, I've heard they sacrifice children.
Yeah, that's one we're gonna spread. That's one for the rumour mill. All right,
The propaganda machine is always turning.
all right. That was fun. Bye.
was.